Basically, we are here at the House of Reps Public Complaints, Committee of Public Complaints to deliberate on the issues concerning the Ikoku file. That is Chima Ekunadu and 4 others, 5 auto mechanics who were arrested by members of the Nigerian police, specifically the Ego Crack Squad. And of course, unfortunately, one of them was tortured to death. The other 4 are here. So we were invited by the House of Reps on public petitions today. As usual, the police who have made absenteeism their trademark was not in the plenary, even though they were invited. They were not in the public hearing. On the 10th of December 2020, this is another loss, this is another expenditure, these are another expenses on the part of the petitioners. The respondents refuse to come, they suffer no loss, they are the ones who have murdered someone, they are the ones who have tortured this person. Look at the hand of one of the victims, his hand is destroyed. Almost all of them, they have bodily injuries not to apply their trade anymore. We are the one at loss, we are the one spending money on this matter, and now this whole joke is happening. But specifically here, we are here to demand the key demands. We are here to demand that, in line with Section 7 of the Anti-Torture Act, that the former commander of Ego Crack Squad in Rivers State, SP Benson Adetui, should be invited by the Inspector General of Police, should be arrested and prosecuted in the competent court of law. We are actually saying that the IPO in the matter, who is Inspector Sam Amadi Enodim, should equally face the law. This is a man who charged innocent Nigerians to court. Even when the owners of the cars, of the 2 cars, have come out to say these young men are not robbers, they are mechanics. Even when the owners of these 2 cars have come out to say this openly, this same IPO charged them to court. We are saying that the law should catch up with the IPO, that the 2 of them should face the law by the express provision of the Anti-Torture Act. The former commander of the Ego Squad cannot escape this. The law is clear. The law specifically says that if you allow a torture chamber to exist in your unit, you are as culpable as those who directly violated the act. And several other malfeasance and failings of these 2 officers. That's Benson Adetui and Inspector Amadi Enodim. We are calling, the Rivers State Commission and its partners are calling that these persons be prosecuted, invited by the IGP, and they should face the law like their counterparts. That's our argument, that they cannot escape the law, and that is why we are here. Ordinarily, we wouldn't have come here. But the reason why we are here is we are saying that these 2 persons who are captured, who are part of those that we are captured in our petitions, before the House of Reps, and of course other to the Police Service Commission, to the IGP, we are saying that these 2 persons, Benson Adetui, the former commander of the Crack Squad, and Inspector Sam Amadi, who is the IPO, who supervised the murder of Chima Ekunadu and the severe torture of these innocent Nigerians, we are saying that they should face the law. Let me even shock Nigerians that the man who have committed such a grievous offense have now been promoted to the head of general investigation in the new division in the new zone that was created in 2016. A man who supervised the murder of Chima Ekunadu, a man who under his watch Chima Ekunadu died, and these other 4 mechanics were blatantly, wickedly tortured severely. Such a man has been promoted to be the head of general investigation at the new zone 16. That is, so we now pay evil with good. We now promote wicked people. We now promote failures in public roles being given to them. That is where we are in this country. We are saying that will not stand. and we are going to do everything humanly possible to making sure that justice is done by forcing the police and that's what reps to make sure that these two persons are included in the prosecution.